decided, you know what, I'm gonna go to Pretoria to further my studies. And then I think I went to school for a couple of months. A lot of things happening there. A lot. I remember at some point, bra, at some point I ate all my money.
Yeah.
I ate all my money and it was nearly 2. I'm going to go to the 31st. Now I'm broke. I have to go 28 days without money. Or we'll go partying because there's a lot of clubs in Pretoria. I mean, everyone knows. There's a lot of clubs. There's a lot of vibes for students. Go Pretoria. And influence is very high. I have to be honest. I have to put it out. I was a naughty child. Growing up, I've always wanted to try things. I remember before Pretoria, go groove a guy. Before I knew, I must go to this place. I must go to this place.
Yeah.
So for me, it was never about books.
Actually, you were going to have fun.
Yeah, I wanted to have fun. You know, I'm coming from the rurals. It was boring. You know, no commodity street lighting. And whereas now my father was very strict, but I was doing those things even though strict. If there's someone out there who send their kids to Pretoria or by school, they need to check up on them. Even if you have to drive from wherever province you are at, just to go and check or Wanaga Udulakai or Pelalabumang, it's very, very important.